I bring to you simple and easy exercises for beginners to lose your belly fat and your side fat. Most effective and easy exercises which I have tried and tested upon all those people who have joined my weight loss program, because they have eventually seen magnificent results. You have no idea what it feels like to lose inches around your belly area and be able to fit into your old pair of jeans. If you have any such jeans lying in your cupboard, you're sure to fit into it very soon. All you have to do is follow these simple and easy moves every single day without any fail, and you're sure to see the same results too. Let me tell you slightly a bit more about the target areas of these exercise moves that I'm going to show you. The first target area is the front belly, the belly fat, the hanging belly, which often looks terrible when you're wearing any tight fitted clothes, and also your side fat, which is known this very area, this hanging fat. Now if you have these two types of belly fat, that means you're sure in for a health issue, because if your belly is 2, 3, 4 times bigger than what it should actually be, that means that you're definitely in for some health problems, especially CVD, which is cardiovascular diseases, and diabetes, whatnot. Why would you want to complicate life further? Let's get it simple and easy. Get rid of it with these simple and easy moves that I'm going to show you. So you've successfully finished this very simple 6 moves which you can actually target your belly fat and your side fat. The best part about this move is that it will engage your whole body and you will end up losing your full body fat. But you have to be really careful about the diet you take in. No processed food, no sugary foods, no excessive salt and no fried foods. And keep a steady flow of fluids through the day, especially herbal teas, herbal drinks and water. That's what is most important. Try to fix your sleep cycle and try to maintain fresh meals while you're eating a balanced meal throughout the day. But if you need professional guidance to decide how to eat, what to eat, when to cook, how to cook, your likes, your dislikes, keeping everything in mind, then you can do it by clicking on the link given below in the description and you can join my weight loss program, wherein a doctor, dietitian, health counselor and me together will help you lose weight and achieve your weight loss target. I'm here to help you only if you want me to. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.